In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put your March Craft Club kit together. Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. If you guys are new, my name's Liz. What I have for you today is a tutorial and demonstration on how you can put together your March Craft Club kit. This is the kit for the month of March. If you didn't know, I have a monthly subscription box where every single month you will get a kit like this, as well as a 16-page scrapbook paper pad. This is the last month that it will be just like this with our paper, with our 16-page paper pads. I will have all the details coming to you in a live on Wednesday, so just in 2 days, and going through the changes that we're making to our subscription box. But for the month of March, if you're wanting to get this subscription kit here, you need to be subscribed in March, and this is the kit. I think it is super adorable and perfect for spring. You also have your 16-page scrapbook paper pad that comes with every kit, and you have lots of fun springy designs, florals, solids, polka dots, pretty much everything that you could possibly want when it comes to spring paper, which is super, super fun. So both of these come with your kit unfinished, ready for you to paint, assemble, put together, and make it the way that you like it. As well, if you're signed up in the month of March and you've received this kit, you'll be entered into our Craft Club giveaway that I host every single month for my Craft Club subscribers. Every single month there are 2 winners, one winner being from those new subscribers, those new people who have signed up in the month of March. The other winner is just a pool of everybody that is subscribed. And this month, each person will win a $100 Amazon gift card along with a craft kit of their choice that they can choose from our website. So lots of fun things. So I'm really excited for that. So if you want to make sure that you are entered into that giveaway, make sure that you are subscribed to our Craft Club in the month of March. I will leave the link down below. But without further ado, if you want to see how I paint this, how I put it together, let's go ahead and jump into the tutorial. For March's kit, you are going to get this unfinished Hello Spring sign, as well as a 16-page 6x6 scrapbook paper pad, and it comes with all sorts of florally designs, perfect for your spring decor. So I'm just going to go step by step and show you how I put this all together, show you all the pieces that it comes with, if you need any help painting or assembling your kit, and give you some little tips and tricks for that process. I'm going to start by taking some chalk paste from COUTURE. I wanted a very warm tone brown stain-like look, so I just mixed some brown with some yellow paint, added a little bit of water, and created my very own stain. And I'm just going to stain the front of this, use a paintbrush to put it on, and use a paper towel to wipe off any excess. I'm going to move over to my little bugs. You will get 3 butterflies and 1 bumblebee. I'm going to start by painting all of the butterflies white, just as a base coat, painting their wings, and then I will also paint the bumblebee's wings white as well. Next, I'm going to take a little bit of this green blue paint. I added a bunch of water to it because I wanted this butterfly to look very watercolored. I didn't want a very stark green or blue. I just wanted this to kind of add a nice little touch of this color, not too deep, something where you could still see that white poking through. And I did this for all 3 of my butterflies. I did the green. I also did this kind of purpley color, just adding a lot of water to it and kind of making it more of watercolor on their wings versus going in with straight paint. For the bee, I did use some acrylic markers. These are from Arteza. I took my black to paint his head and antennas, as well as a stripe on his body. And then I used a yellow Arteza paint pen as well to finish him off. And then I used that same black marker to do some detail work on our butterflies, using it for their bodies and the antennas. For the flowers, I am going to paint all of the stems in my celery chalk paint from Waverly. And then for the flowers themselves, I'm going to take that scrapbook paper pad that you get. I'm going to pull out 3 different papers from this, and I'm going to use the fronts as well as the backs on all 3 papers. And I'm going to trace those flowers on top of the paper, stopping right where it gets to the stem. I'm going to cut that paper out, and I'm going to do kind of a dot floral pattern. So the first flower that I did a polka dot paper on it. The next flower had flowers. The next one, polka dots, and I just went back and forth. You can use whatever papers you like. You can do whatever kind of pattern that you want to do, but I thought this was fun and added a lot of fun pops of color and little details to the sign. If you don't want to add paper onto your flowers, you don't have to. There is an engraving on those flowers to help you line up your letters perfectly onto those flowers if you choose not to add paper to them. I'm going to take my letters that spell out the word spring, and I'm just going to use my Arteza paint pen in black to paint them all black. For my larger letters that spell out hello, I took a cream colored paint, mixed it with a little bit of water, and just went over all 4 of those letters. I'm going to start assembling my kit. To assemble my pieces, I like using the wood glue super glue that you can get from the Dollar Tree, and I just add little dabs onto the back of each letter, and then I put the letter down on top of my flowers. Now on the backing there is engraving, so you can see exactly where to put each of your flowers. So I just dab a little bit of glue onto each flower and then put it right down on top of the engraving. For the word hello, there is engraving on the backing, so again, you can line those letters up perfectly. I just dab a little bit onto the engraving and then add my letters right on top, and I repeat those steps for each of those letters. For your bugs, you can place these wherever you want. I just placed mine where I thought that they would look nice and glued those down. And that is it for our Hello Spring craft kit. I love this one so much. It's really easy and simple to do. It does not require you to be a seasoned crafter at all. These are very beginner friendly, and there are so many different ways for you to paint this and stain it to make it match the theme of your home decor. So that is it for the video. Super easy to put together. I love how simple this one is. It doesn't take very long to put together at all, and it can just kind of be a mindless crafting task where you can just enjoy crafting without it being too complicated, and I think this one is perfect for that. Again, new things to come for our subscription box starting April 1st. If you want to see all the details and get all the information, I will be going live on YouTube on this coming Wednesday. So just in 2 days, I'll have all the information and details in my description box so that you won't miss out on it. So many fun things. To give you a little hint, there are going to be 3 tiers to our subscription box, so you kind of have more of an option on what you want and what you want to get in your box, which I just think is so much fun. So that is all that I have for you guys today. Again, if you want to sign up and be a part of our craft club, make sure that you to sign up with the link down below, or you can just go to moorevinyldecals.com and join our craft club. And you will also be entered into our giveaway for March. I always announce those giveaway winners in a live on YouTube on the 1st of each month. So I'll also be going live on April 1st, where I also have lots of fun announcements and fun things to show you. I will be selling some decor starting on my website, finished products, and I can't wait to show you everything that will be included in this very first launch of things. There are so many fun ones, and I can't wait to show you guys. So anyways, that's it. That's now everything that I have for you guys today. Don't forget to subscribe before you guys leave. Give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.